Have you ever felt so tired that even coffee couldn't save you? Or you're constantly feeling drained and just can't seem to shake off fatigue? What if the key to boundless energy wasn't in a can, a pill, or a lab, but in the very plants that have sustained civilizations for thousands of years? The truth is, even with all the advancement in modern medicine today, science continues to validate what ancient healers knew all along, that certain plants contain powerful compounds that can transform energy levels, stamina, and endurance. But despite their effectiveness, these plants rarely get the spotlight they deserve. Instead, most people resort to quick fixes such as caffeine, sugar energy drinks, or synthetic pre-workouts. In this video we're covering 5 of the most powerful scientifically supported plants that don't just boost energy but sustain it, naturally, safely, and effectively. And trust me, each plant on this list brings something truly remarkable to the table. And skipping any would mean missing out on nature's best secrets for sustained energy for endurance, whether in the gym, at work, or even in the bedroom. But always consult your healthcare provider before incorporating any of these plant or herb into your routine, especially if you have existing conditions or are taking medications. Welcome to Eden Bliss, and let's get started. Let's start with ashwagandha, a plant that has been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine for over 3,000 years. Ashwagandha is a small shrub with yellow flowers and red fruits, and its root are where the magic happens. It's native to India, but you can now find it growing in parts of Africa and the Middle East. The name ashwagandha actually means smell of the horse in Sanskrit, as it is believed to give you the strength and vitality of a stallion. What distinguishes ashwagandha is its rich content of powerful compound known as withanolides, which serves as natural stress relievers. This compounds assist in lowering cortisol levels, the hormones that make you stressed and drained, while also supporting thyroid's functions, which regulates your energy levels. Research has demonstrated that ashwagandha can significantly reduce fatigue and improve overall vitality. Ashwagandha is available in various forms, including powder, capsules, and even in tinctures. For those new to it, a daily dose of 300 to 500 milligrams of ashwagandha extract is recommended. You may incorporate the powder into your morning smoothie, or take it as capsules with breakfast. It is an excellent option for individuals dealing with stress-induced fatigue, or those seeking a natural method to boost energy levels. Next up we have maca root, a plant that grows high in the Andes Mountains of Peru. Maca is a resilient plant that flourishes in harsh conditions, and its roots resembles a cross between a radish and a potato. For centuries, the Inca civilization has utilized maca to enhance stamina, endurance, and even fertility. Maca is abundant in glucosinolates and alkaloids, which help balance your hormones and support your adrenal gland, the little organs that manage your stress response. It is also rich in essential vitamins and minerals, such as iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, which are crucial for energy productions. Research indicates that maca can improve energy levels, reduce fatigue, and even enhance mood. You will usually find maca in powder form, and possesses a slightly nutty, earthly flavor. You may add 1 to 2 teaspoons to your smoothies, oatmeal, or even baked goods. Whether you're an athlete or simply someone seeking a boost in stamina, maca is an excellent choice. Now let's talk about ginseng, specifically Korean ginseng, often referred to as the king of herbs in traditional Chinese medicine. Ginseng is a slow-growing plant with fleshy roots, and it's been used for thousands of years to boost energy, improve focus, and even enhance longevity. The secret to ginseng power is attributed to its ginsenosides, unique compounds that enhance mitochondrial function, the component of cell responsible for energy production. Additionally, ginseng aids the body in adapting to stress, making it an excellent option for individuals experiencing physical or mental fatigue. Research indicates that ginseng can improve physical performance, reduce fatigue, and enhance cognitive function. You can find ginseng in various forms, including tea, capsules, and whole roots. For a daily energy boost, consider drinking ginseng tea or taking 200 to 400 milligrams of ginseng extract. It is particularly beneficial for busy professionals, students, or anyone seeking enhanced mental clarity. Before we move on to the next plants, I want to take a quick moment to connect with you. If you're enjoying this journey into the world of natural energy booster, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us keep creating content that makes a difference, and it means the world to us. Now let's dive into the next incredible plant. Moving on to Rhodiola rosea, a plant that grows in the cold, mountainous region of Europe and Asia. Rhodiola is a hardy plant with yellow flowers, and its roots has been used in Scandinavian and Russian traditional medicine for centuries to combat fatigue and improve mental performance. Rhodiola contains compound known as rosavin and celladroside, which increases ATP production, the molecules that stores and transport energy in your cells. It also boosts serotonin and dopamine levels, which improve mood and focus. Research has shown that rhodiola can significantly reduce fatigue, enhance cognitive function, and even improve physical performance. Rhodiola is typically available in capsules or tincture form. For optimal results, it is recommended to take 200 to 400 milligrams of rhodiola extracts daily. This supplement is ideal for individuals experiencing mental fatigue, stress, or those seeking enhanced focus to navigate their day effectively. And finally, the last plant on our list is goji berry. These vibrant red-orange fruits may appear unassuming, but they hold an ancient reputation as a powerhouse for stamina and endurance. Native to the valleys of China, Tibet, and Mongolia, these berries have been staple in traditional medicines for centuries, used to combat fatigue, strengthen immune system, and enhance longevity. In regions such as Ningxia, home to some of the world's longest living individuals, goji berries are a daily ritual, often brewed into teas or consumed as natural energy booster. Beyond tradition, scientific research confirms goji berry's efficacy, that it is packed with Lycium barbarum polysaccharides, a compound that directly fuels mitochondria, the energy-producing engines of our cells, which ensures sustained energy levels without the crashes associated with stimulants. With a substantial supply of iron to prevent sluggishness and B vitamins that convert food to fuel, goji berries provide a clean, steady source of vitality. Unlike caffeine or sugar energy drink that cause spike and crashes, these berries operate at the cellular level, enhancing endurance and mental clarity without side effects. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that individuals who consume goji berry for 2 weeks reported increased energy, sharper focus, and an overall sense of well-being, a testament to the berry's remarkable benefits. Incorporating goji berries into your routine is simple. They can be enjoyed dried as a snack, brewed into teas, blended into smoothies, or taken in concentrated extract form. Just a small handful each day is sufficient to combat fatigue and maintain energy levels throughout the day. Whether you're powering through workouts, long work hours, or just daily life, goji berries offer a natural, time-tested solution that modern energy drinks cannot match. So there you have it. 5 incredible plants that can help you fight fatigue and boost your energy naturally. Whether it's ashwagandha for stress relief, maca for stamina, ginseng for clarity, goji berries for antioxidant support, or rhodiola for focus, nature has given us everything we need to fuel our best. And before we wrap up, I want to remind you that this video is for educational purposes only. While these plants have been shown to be effective, it's important to consult your healthcare provider before adding any new supplements or herbs to your routine, especially if you're on medication or have underlying health conditions. Your health is unique, and a professional can help you make the best decisions for your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need a little energy boost. And don't forget to subscribe to Eden Bliss for more natural health tips and remedies. Got a question or a favorite plant we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.